weeks Noilers. Most local farmers don't want to go to the stress of brooding Noilers before they get what they want to get at the end of everything. So this is an opportunity for you, and if you've been watching me on my channel, you know that I do this a lot. In short, this is what I do when it comes to Noila business: brooding and selling of Noilers at every 3 weeks to make your cool catch. So once you are doing this, you are able to make your cool catch. You might even be doing this as a single business and you are still making your cool catch. Or take for instance, you want to begin your poultry farming business and you don't have much money to go into broilers or layer farming. The Noiler is a startup option for you. You just get your Noilers and you start selling them 3 weeks. You make your money, you keep the profit, and you grow up your farm business.